It's Ray Miller, and welcome back to another Hidden Features video by Virtual Storefronts. Today, we are going to talk about merchants posting to their live feed. As you can see, it's fast, it's easy, simple for merchants to post to their live feed. Be sure to keep the text pithy, just under 280 characters long or less. Your fans are waiting to hear from you. Busy people need relevant information. It's well worth noting that merchants and shopper accounts differ in functionality. While merchants can post updates, only shoppers can access various live feeds. In order to see what a shopper sees, you have to have a shopper's account as well. To learn more on how to make one, simply watch our other hidden feature videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you, and remember to like us on Virtual Storefronts.